Grab his knee and lift up like this, and it's going to soften that even more. Yeah. How's that feel for you, Jace?
Oh yeah, I feel really secure. really covered in myself.
There,
I feel like we might have another slippage if we keep going this way. Might be a third.
Hey guys, if you've got lower back pain, it's probably because your superior gluteal nerve is getting entrapped. Therefore, your glute med isn't firing. What does that mean? So there's a nerve that runs through our L5, through this space, and out in between this bowl, between our glute medius and glute minimus. And what it does is it actually helps us activate our glute med, our glute min, and our TFL. When that's getting compressed, come over here. When that's getting compressed from our tendons, from our adhesions, so there's our glute max, our glute med's probably more over here, Leo, 21, 22 is our TFL. When the tissues are really tight, we get in adhesions, they compress, they strangle, and therefore that nerve, those firing patterns, the messaging of that nerve is becoming inhibited. Thanks, Jace.
There you go.
All right, so what I'm going to do is, Jason's lovely glute here, is we're going to trace, so I showed you on that skeleton, that bowl, what we're looking for and why Jason is sidelined. Come over here, Leo. I get a really good access to his TFL. I get really good access to his glute min, and I get really good access to his glute med. So tracing between that space there, right? Using my thumb, I can feel where the bony landmarks are, where those glute medius tendons are, and where those glute min tendons are, and just I'm like filing in between those right now, looking for adhesions or feeling for adhesions. Trigger points is a nice little spot there on Jace.
Oh, there certainly is.
And you've had years of chronic back pain, and maybe your glutes aren't firing. Maybe you've got a Trendelenburg sign where you're like hip hikes or goes out to one side. Maybe you struggle to actually build your glutes in the gym, and therefore your lower back's having to work a lot harder to stabilize your pelvis and stabilize your spine. Well, overworked muscles, fatigued muscles are generally in pain. They're causing dysfunction, and they're throwing out the way that our body mechanically should operate and move. So getting this nerve to actually communicate better to these muscles, activate and restore the function, we're going to be using less of our QL and our erector muscles, and your back in this pelvis area is going to feel a whole lot better. So this is something for those that are suffering with back pain or feel like they just can't activate their glutes. Maybe you sit down too much, and what happens is your glutes become dormant and weak because they're long and stretched the whole day, and then you go into the gym and you try to shorten and activate them, doing your kickbacks, doing your squats, doing your side-lying abductors, like to get your glute meds going. Maybe that is not enough. Maybe you need to actually get in there and get this communication signaling going a whole lot better. So come back to this, Leo. We can have a little bit of a feel. So I don't like doing this in treatment, but I'll show you how flicky this stuff is in here, like how tight that is. Bringing Jace up into side lying actually softens his TFL and softens his glute med for me a little bit as well. Yeah, if we wanted to bring that up, I can actually grab his knee and lift up like this, and it's going to soften that even more. Yeah. How's that feel for you, Jace?
Oh yeah, I feel really secure. really covered in myself.
There,
I feel like we might have another slippage if we keep going this way. Might be a third appearance.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, there's been we've had a couple of slippages in the old and we're not talking about cricket.
TFL. TFL department.
TFL department, exactly.
Oh.
Sorry, Chase, we'll put his leg back down. He didn't come have a look at this bloke's face. He's pissing himself.
It's going well. Give us a like or a comment if you've made it this far.
Yeah. Oh. Give us a like or a comment if you've got lower back pain and this is something that resonates with you. So I've shifted over his greater trochanter, that really bony hip bone, shoulder bone, hip bone, knee bone. Sorry, getting off topic. But yeah, now I'm going to actually have a little bit of a feel of what's going on in Jason's TFL. Another little guy that's often overworked, It's a small muscle. It's like the tendon of our IT band, this huge connective tissue part of the outer thigh. And yeah, it's always overworked, especially for runners, cyclists, anyone playing sport. Our TFL always needs a bit of a release in there. So we're doing that for Jace as well.
Great.
And yeah, activating our glutes. Sometimes our TFL can get sticky to our glute minimus, and we actually struggle to isolate our glutes because this guy's trying to overwork and do that roll. So hit that as well, loosen that off, switch it off. It's overworking, it's angry. Really good. Nice. And now what I like to do is a little bit of cross fiber stuff. So I'm going to get like my whole hand. I'm going to start on that outer lip. So tracing this bowl here, Leo. Picture this. TFL's here. I'm starting there and I'm tracing that bowl. The nerve runs through that space here. I was going to show you how we can like use our cross fibers to release that tension and get deep in there. So yeah, we work on fascia, tendon, ligament, nerve, muscle, connective tissue, collagen, bone, whatever the landmarks, whatever it is that you're going through. If you've got pain, as body workers, we are willing to explore. We're willing to find the points of your pain. Where is the source of the pain? Is it dehydrated fascia? Is it an overactive tendon? Is it a ligament that just needs nourishment and maybe it's really lax and we need to strengthen it? Here at MMT, we cover all bases in terms of how the human body works and operates holistically. And we just want to get it back to, restoring its full movement. So yeah, at the moment I'm affecting quite a lot of those tissues. And yes, sometimes it's more of a nerve thing, sometimes it's more of a tendon issue. Knowing how to treat all of them is definitely going to allow me to help more people.
Ooh, that's a bit nasty.
Yep. So now using my elbow, Jason's pretty tight in this area. Have a look at that. So just another tool, just something that gives my thumbs a bit of a break as well. For a practitioner out there that, worries about how their thumbs are going to go, they might break down or whatnot. Yeah, learn how to use your elbows. Learn how to use your forearms. All right, we've got a good spot there for Jace. Just you focus on your breathing, mate, as he is naturally doing that.
Try it. Still focusing on holding everything.
Jason's
Never been so clamped before in my life.
Relax. No, I can't. This is good. You know what we say, Jace? Me and Ninja were talking about it.
I bet you were.
Comfort kills desire. Can't be too comfortable, mate.
Can't be too comfortable.
You know how to make Jace feel uncomfortable? Just get him sideline and give him a bit of a G-string with a towel. Oh, come on, bro.
No, but
we're all good here.
we're all good.
We're all mates.
That's not very good.
So just in between glute med and glute max now, into that
feels
bowl.
Awful.
Good, Jace. You got this, mate.
Oh, boy.
But maybe it's an overactive glute med that is limiting flexion in your lower back. It's limiting rotation. It's inhibiting the extension of your glute as well. Whatever it might be, getting in here, creating some stimulus, creating some blood flow, creating those blood vessels to move through this space is something that is going to really help the way your hip moves and operates and feels. Good. All right, one last stroke down here. It's not too bad. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, something down there for Jace. So go towards that. Find the sticky points. Use your thumb to be more specific. Come off that. Come down into that ridge there and scoop it away. Cleaning away those tendons, those attachment sites. You know, you've got our sciatic nerve and piriformis nerve, and there's a lot of nerves that run through here. Just freeing those up, freeing the tissues up that it may have adhesions to those spots. This is what's gonna make Jace feel a whole lot better.
Oh, great.
Great. He's loved it. Anyway, guys, if you have back pain, if your glutes are inhibited, they're not firing properly, you feel some shrinkage or some, you know, a bit of a hollowness in your glute.
Shrinkage, Jerry.
Jason's got some shrinkage. Yeah, book in. We've got practitioners all over the world that we have trained up, and they are awesome at what they do. Otherwise, we've got a clinic out here in Ferntree, Gully and Richmond. Jump on our website, book in a session today, and we'll fix you up.
Thank you. Bye.